propeller-driven aircraft could be about to go electric. NASA is preparing for the first test flight of its experimental all-electric X.57 aircraft later this year, an airplane powered not by aviation gasoline, but by the same lithium-ion batteries you might find in a laptop computer. Aviation makes up about 2% of global CO2 emissions, according to the International Civil Aviation Organization, and NASA notes that, unlike automotive gasoline, aviation gasoline still contains lead, albeit lower levels, and is a leading cause of lead pollution in the environment. The X.57 is currently scheduled to take its first test flight sometime in July. NASA reconfigured the X.57's wings to just 42% of their former size, a design the space agency said reduces drag to make flight more efficient. If the X-57 can demonstrate all-electric flight capability over the California desert near NASA's Armstrong Flight Research Center, it could pave the way to electronic aircraft 40% more efficient than those flying today.